close the door for me? There we go. Alright. Okay. That's better. Give it a second. I don't know if that's going to work too well, but we'll see. Looks like I might not be pressing hard enough, I don't know. I'm going really slowly right now because I want to measure the difference between faster deposition rates and slower deposition rates. Maybe. Got a lot of oxide.
How long does the copper last before it's wearing out and you gotta lower it?
Typically it'll go for, so if I've got 3 millimeters of copper sticking out past the end of the tool, it'll last for about 650 millimeters of track length before it finally hits the bottom. There we go, and you can see the temperature with the tip now. That's okay, it's a pretty dirty deposition. Part of the problem too is the plate that it's depositing onto is not totally flat.
Is it stuffed really good?
Yeah, typical bond strengths are comparable to the bond strengths you get out of direct bond copper. So maybe 50 or 80 megapascals. It's very thin though.
Yeah.
So the question is like, you know, how much of that is film effect and how much of that is how much of that is film effect and how much of it is actual like bond strength. But you can see the temperature at the tip is very, very high. I need to probably adjust that actually. It's probably too late to fuck with it. Close to 400 degrees, something like that. Pretty freaking hot. Oh man. Very oxidized. I was going way too slow and it's pressing too hard because this substrate is a little flexed, a little bent.